first look at a new product, new to us here at Spawn. And for further explanation, we have the one, the only Fishing Josh. Let's talk about this new product here from Wapsi. Josh, what do we got going on?
Yeah, so we just got this in today. I haven't opened any up, but I am familiar with this product. I think the first time I ever used this product was in Colorado, pike fishing. So we got the rabbit zonker, but in Texas cut. This is a 3/8 inch cut. And so you can see behind us, we're not shy of rabbit here. We got rabbit from Fulling Mill. We got rabbit from Hairline, every color. We got rabbit from Nature Spirit. We got black barred. We got frosted tip, magnum, micro, you name it, we got it. But we didn't have this Texas cut, so I'm gonna actually open this up.
So what's the whole idea or magic of a Texas cut versus a different cut?
It's just bigger. Like, look at this.
How much bigger?
So a magnum's gonna be 1/4 inch. This is 3/8 inch. So
it's 1.5 times bigger than Magnum.
You're the math guy, but yeah, it's bigger. It is bigger. So what I think I'm gonna use this for, I honestly might use it for some coho jigs on the tail end side of this, or big coho flies. Cut that off there. It's gonna create a lot of movement. Look at the paddle on the back of that. So that's gonna create a ton of movement. There's 28 colors, if I'm not mistaken, and they got them all from like natural to fluorescence, huge range of them. Yeah, I think but primarily I see the use case for this being bigger bugs, primarily targeting like pike. I haven't seen too much of this used in the muskie world, but I'm sure people will utilize it in that realm. But that's what it's going to be used for, big predatory fish. I'm sure people will get creative and do all sorts of different stuff with it. So you get these 3 Texas cuts in each pack. Yeah.
Would you say this has as much application for jig tying and fly tying, or maybe one versus the other?
You know, I don't see it a lot in fly tying or jig tying, really. It's a pretty niche product. We don't see it posted a lot. We don't get a lot of requests for it. We have a couple requests for it. And we want to be able to be that sort of like niche place for the items like this. So that's sort of the baseline for bringing it up. I think it will be something that we have to shed some light on. I'm sure some of you guys at home that see this video are going to be like, I've used Texas cut. But the reality of it is like, we can see what people are searching for on our website, and people, generally speaking, aren't looking for this too much, but a couple of you are looking for it a lot. Hence why we brought this in. Specifically, one of our great customers heavily requested this. And so we just decided to bring it in every color. But I don't see it as being something that's like crazy hot out the gates maybe. It might be something that we got to utilize a little bit more. But I'll probably frankly use it for jigs more than flies, I think.
Great.
Yeah, we got some good ones. Look at, I mean, that fluorescent orange, that fluorescent pink is really, really nice. That shrimp color is a little different than some of the other shrimps. No way a coho will not smash that color right there. What is that? Fluorescent red.
Looks like a pretty good coho color lineup right there.
Yeah, maybe throw in a purple in your set. So, pretty excited about this product. It's going to have some interesting applications for big predatory fish. I think it's going to pair really nicely with the Spawn Fathom bead. So check those out. Yeah, anything else that I missed?
I think that answers all of our questions.
Alrighty. Well, I hope you guys are liking these. We're looking at them for the first time, answering some questions that come to mind.
Hit like.
Hit subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.